G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Here today we've got a little Nissan R35. It's one of those cheaper castings, unbranded or whatever else there, but I like the Nissan castings. As you can probably see, I've been doing a few Nissans and all that there. They haven't started yet really, but when we get into the older ones, I've got all of these, a range of these that I'm going to do a full wheel swap on, I should say. Wheel swap, swip. Too much wheel swapping going on. This one here is actually pretty cool casting. I actually got another one in metallic blue and another one in yellow that I've already done a wheel swap on, but I didn't do videos of them. I was too impatient. So I've got this one here, and guess what? No drill in the post. It comes to screws. It's already screwed in. Right. So that makes my job easier and faster all the way around. Like I was saying, we will detail some of them up there. I like doing my painting when the temperature's sort of right, or if I can get a heater going in here properly, get this room temperature set up there. See, right. So that was easy enough to do. This might be another one that does the same, is it? Yep, look at that. Cool, more cool. It's going to be fast. Get a set of these Pirelli P Zeros. I call them a NASCAR rim, but they'll look a lot better than them things. Look dreadful. Alright, I'll drop him in. Drop that one out of the road. Just drop this one over here. Just get over here in the light, because I'm actually doing this under different lighting at the minute. There we go. Right. Yep. Beautiful. There we go. This is just one of those cheap castings. But as you can see, it is a Nissan Skyline casting. And I'll just drop these screws into here over the top of the bench, so we don't. Yeah. So for an unbranded, it's amazing. One, there's got the screws in them, and two, they're not too bad a look casting. Just gotta get that in the right spot, that screw. There it goes. Just gently go back in. I wouldn't go risking of anything else there. Beautiful. Just check this front one again. I'm just not happy with that. Just fix it up a little bit. I'm a bit fussy. Sorry about this, folks. Just get it a little bit better. I feel like jump so there we go. Alright, beautiful. There we go. Look at that. Major difference from what it was looking at before there. Just for putting a set of those on it there. So when we get around to either detailing it, the paint's not too bad on it. We just got to fix the headlight tampos up, redo the grille, and a lot of other things like that there to it. But there you go. Just a major difference. What just a quick wheel swap can make to a car. So there we go. Oh, there you go, folks. Alright, take care, stay safe, and we'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks for watching and sticking around. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. See you for now.